What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to another video. And today, in the last three videos, or the last two videos actually, I covered how you can make your own lightning bow, your own lightning ball, and your very own yeet ball, which allows you to actually throw yourself. Here's a little watch my previous videos after you finish watching this one. But anyways, today I'm going to be showing you guys how you can make your own TNT snake. I don't really want to show you guys what it'll look like yet, but it's pretty cool if you wait until the end. So the first thing we're going to do, we don't need a command block just yet, so we're just going to go ahead and get a bat egg. Once we get the bat egg, we're going to also want to get ourselves an anvil. This is optional, so if you don't really want to name your spawn bat to TNT snake, I recommend you just to keep it as spawn bat, because it doesn't really matter. So then you're going to do /give yourself a command block, and you should get a command block. I'm just going to throw my other one into the fire. And you're just going to want to place it anywhere in your world, and go ahead and place a lever, and make sure it's clicked on. Then you're going to want to go ahead and open the command block, change it to repeat, and change the hover note to TNT snake. Then we're going to do /execute entity type equals bat, and then the position of the bat, which in this case is whatever position the bat is in the world. So we're just going to do the squirrely lines, which is what I like to call them. I don't really know what they're called. I'm just going to call them that in this video. And then we're going to type summon TNT. So whenever this lever is pulled down, when you spawn a TNT or a bat, it will have a trail of TNT. So it would actually look like a TNT snake. Now this is actually pretty cool if you want to do some like massive destruction in your world. But I mean, if you guys did enjoy the video, be sure to smash that like button and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video. Goodbye, girly gamers.